Hi, it's Salih here, and for this app bonanza, I'm recording the app called Note to Self. This is a note-taking app, and what makes this app interesting is it lets you talking to yourself interesting, and it's a simple note-taking app and also pretty accessible with few unlabeled buttons. And I like this app, and it lets you take notes in different categories, and it's easy to do and lets you take voice notes and text notes, even add in images. So let's take a look at this app.
Oh.
I'm using my Samsung S21 FE running Android 13, and for speech engine it's Google TTS.
Note to self.
Okay, let me launch Note to Self.
Note to self. Your mind is for having ideas. I'm starting new, but your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. David Allen. I'm starting new, button. Restore from backup.
You can start new and restore from backup. Since we have no notes, we are going to start.
I'm starting new. 70%
New.
onboarding progress bar.
Yep.
Almost done. We're creating a few notes to get you started. Let's go, button.
Let's go.
Note to self.
So when you open the app for the first time, you have 4 notes as the main categories.
Daily journal, 12:34 a.m. Researchers have found that keeping a daily journal helps you in achieving goals, improves confidence, and reduces stress. If writing every day feels too hard, use the voice note feature and record your life in your own voice. Empty. Bucket list, 12:34 a.m. Remember, if it doesn't scare you, it shouldn't be in the list. I'll start. To read, watch, 12:34 a.m. Books, shows, articles, or rare videos. Put all their names and links here and get back to them whenever you're feeling bored. Here are notes, 12:34 a.m. Welcome to Note to Self. Ideas, lists, or anything on your mind. Put it all in here. Long press on this note for delete, edit, and other options. Empty.
Okay, this is the 4 notes that you see. The interesting part about this app is it's like a messaging app, and you see 4 conversations, and you can type any note in any of them. And there are also options. Let's see them.
Menu.
Going to
Your
menu.
name. ID close. Button. Your name.
You can write down your name.
Total notes, 4.
4 notes, 4 categories, as you see.
Backup, restore.
You can backup and restore as a file. It doesn't have automatic Google Drive synchronization. You can just go and export it as a file and share it to your drive manually.
Text resize. Notes lock. Off. Switch.
You can even lock your notes here.
App theme.
You can change the theme.
Rate.
And rate the app.
Share.
And share it.
Contact.
Contact the developer. They periodically post new update to the app, and it's real good, and they listen to the feedback.
For Twitter, button. I've Instagram, button. I've mail, button.
This is their handles on the socials. Let's go
Note
back.
to self. Search.
There's a search.
TV new, button.
And you can add a new group, like a new chat. So when you press this one, the 5th note will be added to the conversations list.
Daily journal, 12:34 a.m. Researchers have found that keeping a daily journal helps you in achieving goals, improves confidence, and reduces stress. If writing every day feels too hard, use the voice note feature and record your life in your own voice. Empty. I'll be back, button.
Okay, let's press on this, and you see the notes here.
Daily journal.
Daily journal category. It's the chat of daily journal.
I've group, button.
You can delete this group or edit the group of name of the group.
Today.
It's conversation started today.
Researchers have found that keeping a daily journal helps you in achieving goals, improves confidence, and reduces stress. If writing every day feels too hard, use the voice note feature and record your life in your own voice. 12:34 a.m.
This is the message or the title of this category. As you see, you can start
what's on your mind, edit box.
Here writing some words, and then
attachment, button.
You can add an attachment.
I've sent, button.
Or press the send button, or long press it to record a voicemail. It's pretty simple, like you're using any of the messaging apps. You write your message and press send, and it will be in your notes in this category. It's like any other chat with messaging app. You just write your message, but you talk to yourself as you do the note to self. When you press this
I've sent button.
send button and long press,
Allow note to self to record audio.
it asks you to record audio.
Only this time button. Don't allow button. Only while using the app button. I've sent button.
As in any of the messaging apps, long pressing on this send button starts the recording, and releasing your finger lets you send it to yourself as a voice note. It's pretty simple and I like this app. So if you want to delete a category, you can
bucket list.
Open, for example, this bucket list.
Bucket list. End of field. Clear text.
And there's
ID clear title.
this
ID clear title button.
clear title button.
ID done button. Bucket list. Edit group image button. Delete group button.
And delete group button. Once you press on this,
delete. Yes, delete button.
You will see
Note
yes, delete button, and the bucket list category is gone, and you have left with 3 conversations here.
Notes 12 menu.
Okay, this is pretty simple note-taking app. It lets you talk to yourself in a messaging view, in a sense of messaging to yourself, and you can even send yourself voice notes, images, and you can export those notes as a file and upload to your drive. I hope you like this. Thank you.